Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Tinder. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join Tinder without Facebook. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Tinder on a device. And to join Tinder without Facebook, you can use either your Gmail account or your phone number. In this video, we will be using our phone number. So tap Login with phone number and enter your phone number. Tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to your phone number, and Tinder will automatically verify the code. Tap Continue. Next, enter your email address and tap Continue. Here, tap I agree. It is now time to fill in your details. Enter your first name and tap Continue. Enter your date of birth and tap Continue. Now select your gender and check the box at the bottom if you want to show your gender on your profile. Tap Continue. Also select your sexual orientation and check the box at the bottom if you want to show it on your profile. You can also skip this step. Tap Continue. Next, select who you are interested in and tap Continue. Similarly, select your university. Tap University Name and enter the name of your university. Tap the option you want. You can also skip this step. When done, tap Continue. On this page, select your passions. You can select up to 5. And tap Continue. Now add your picture. You must add at least 2 photos to continue. And tap Continue. Also tap Allow Location and allow the permissions. Finally, tap Continue. And that's how you join Tinder without Facebook. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.